What's up? Don't worry, this talking part is going to be pretty short. And then we'll get to the cool, fun, drifty stuff. Anyways, I haven't been releasing much content lately, but I've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes. I've got a new mic setup that I've been testing. I have a new camera that I'm currently using. And I've been to a few events working on another project, but also testing out my own equipment now. And I've been, changing settings, screwing up, figuring out what went wrong, experimenting basically. And yeah, so it's been a lot of work, but it's all to make the quality of the videos better. I got a new mic set up because good audio can make or break a video. And I got a new camera set up because, well, I needed something for this kind of video that's not actiony stuff. And my 70D wasn't really cutting it. None of this would be possible without the channel sponsor. Here's a word from our sponsor. Okay, guess not. Anyway, here's some bonus video from Devin's Supercharged BEAMS A86. Audio kind of sucks because I was testing out the new mic setup that I have, and I got the settings mixed up to where instead of having them go to split channel, I had them go into single channel. And instead of having in-car audio, it's all engine. Luckily, there's a really loud supercharger, so enjoy supercharger noises.
mic out of the engine bay. Okay, quick rundown. Beams, just like on Robert Ward's, but this one's got a supercharger. And a microphone, I need to get out of there, so we'll grab that real quick. Alright, so Beams, supercharger, nice clean engine bay.
You got it?
Yep.
Are we still there?
They're still there. Alright, let me put this down for them. Alright, so 86 MK2s, which I want for my wagon. Yeah, it's a fun car. It's fun. So of course Devin is one of the guys who runs MB Drift, and he absolutely slays in this. This had a lot of grip wet. I can't imagine what this thing feels like in the dry. In the last video we rode the S13 that had a beam swap. NA beam swap, 6-speed. Unfortunately I didn't get to ride in it. So this one, Devin's car, beam swap, supercharged, it's lighter. Yeah, tons and tons of grip, almost way too much, so good stuff.